Good afternoon, my name's Rick Talbot. I had a problem with my Seagate offline drive. I had all this photos stored on it, so problems getting it off. So I had a look on the internet and saw that Pitt's company were advertising that recommended they could do it. So I contacted them. They said, yes, no problem, just we'll send you a label to post it off to us, which they did. I then waited, and they confirmed, yes, they could get the stuff off. So after about 3 or 4 weeks, they came back to me, said, yes, we've got it all off. If you'd like to contact us, we've got a way of verifying it over a screen, which I did, and there was all my photos recovered. So I was so pleased. So I have to say that Pitts have come up absolute trumps. They really are a good company to work with, very professional, and I would highly recommend it if somebody else had the same problems I've had. And the pictures will be sent to me on another drive in the next couple of days, which I'm so pleased for. Thank you, Pitts, and thank you everyone for watching this video.